morning everyone. I am currently staying at my friend's house and 4 of us are going to Bogor, which is one of the cities that is located a little bit outside of Jakarta, still close to Jakarta. So we are going to explore, have fun, eat definitely. See you later. I am currently with Resti.
Hi.
Maya.
Hi.
And the other one is
Hi. Yeah.
Mawar. We've been having our friendship for over 14 years. Yeah, because we got to know each other since high school back in like as in junior high school back in 2014, and now it's like not 2014, 24, and now it's 2018, so it's been over 14 years. They're one of the very closest circle that I have in Jakarta. Yeah. So we are going to have fun today in Bogor. Namun tetap selalu ada di sini. Semua pertama guruku datang ku lupa.
Kau tahu bahwa terinspirasi hatimu. Ku tak harus
I was spinning. I could always tell it was the end of the beginning. When you're coming over here, there's no need for pretending.
We are currently at a bakery, local bakery that sells very tiny mini bread, and I think it's quite famous, one of the very famous destination, as in where people go to buy this very particular bread. So you see the line is very much filled with people since the beginning of the day. The one that I just ate tastes like beef floss. I think it is beef floss. So in Indonesia, unyil means tiny. You can see that the size of the bread is extremely tiny.
Gimana rasanya? Enak.
Coklat keju.
Wah, ini enak sih. Ini terenak nih. Corn milk. Yang paling enak tuh yang jagung susu. Enak banget, parah. Kecil banget tuh ya.
So this is corn combined with milk. Literally we say jagung susu. Jagung is corn and susu is milk. So very sweet to my taste. Not very much of my favorite. I think she knows that. So we have just arrived to a place called Saung Pak. Saung is actually translated to a place where you can gather together. We are going to eat. There are plenty of stuff. Yang terkenal apa? They're all camera shy. Kita pesen apa? Pesen cuangki kan? Cuangki apa kepanjangannya? Cuangki belum ada, Po. I just ate jackfruit sour soup. So this is actually fruit soup. contain lots of fruit and whatnot. And the soup in itself is actually very sweet because they use the artificial syrup. Oh, they put yogurt in it. Plenty of ice.
Enak banget.
Apa itu?
Siomay, tapi digoreng. Kayak ayam, kayak ada ayam udangnya gitu. Asalnya tuh dari Bandung sebenarnya.
There are a lot of components that are fried, and very much a few of them are being steamed. There's one thing that is very common in Indonesian food. Everything most of the time is deep fried. Snacks, major meal such as fried rice and then fried noodle.
Let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile.
Mau kemana kita?
Bogor Botanical Garden.
Enak nggak tadi makanannya?
Enak.
Enak.
Tripnya sama.
And getting harder. It was never under my control. You know.
Lagi motong apa bang?
Mangga,
Mangga. Manis nggak mangganya?
manis dong. Apalagi yang belinya cantik.
We are queuing up to enter the BOGOR Botanical Garden. For domestic tourists, it costs 16,000 rupiah, whereas for the international, as in like tourists, it costs 26,000. BOGOR Botanic Gardens is actually the oldest botanic gardens in Southeast Asia, a place where scientists do all the research here related to plants. BOGOR Botanic Gardens has a presidential palace that Jokowi, as Indonesian president, used to come to work out. BOGOR Botanical Gardens actually contains of 87 hectares, and it contains over 13,000 plants and trees of various kinds. The geographical location of BOGOR, it means that it rains almost pretty much daily, even during the dry season, and it becomes an advantageous location for all type of gardens that cultivates tropical plants. Behind me is the BOGOR Palace, which is one of the 6 presidential palaces in Indonesia. And the BOGOR Palace is very quite distinctive for its architectural and the co-join between the palace and the garden. I remember the last time I went here was back in 2014 with a couch for a couple. Since then, I've never actually been here. So nice just to spend time with friends. Even though it's Sunday, and plenty of people are actually coming here to gather together for corporate events or family.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
We are here. We are here at Bogor Botanical Garden. Enggak dong, Taman Meksiko.
Oh, we are here at Taman Meksiko. Di sini banyak kaktus-kaktus.
Kaktus itu biasanya buat apa?
Nggak tahu.
Jadi mau kemana ini?
Mau pulang. Makasih.
Makasih ya.
Jangan lupa di subscribe,
Like,
dan komen.
share.
Sampai ketemu lagi.
When I'm in this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no.
Contains over 30,000 gardens, covers an area of 87.
Pas, sama dong, sama dikit. Tasya sama lama ya, Mai?
Oh ya juga gini.
Sanan dikit, munduran dikit, munduran.